Have you ever finished writing a report or preparing a presentation only to realize the hardest part hasn't even started yet? The content is ready, but now you have to choose templates, organize slides, move text around, adjust colors, and somehow make everything look professional. That's usually the part that takes far longer than people expect. So today, I wanted to test a different approach. Instead of building a presentation slide by slide, what if AI could handle most of the work while still letting me stay in complete control? This is PreziAI 3.0, and today I'm going to see how well it actually performs in real workflows. First thing you'll notice after opening Prezi is that it's more than just a presentation tool. You can also create reports, dashboards, infographics, video designs, social media content, and several other visual formats. But today, I'm going to focus on its AI-powered presentation workflow, because that's the feature I was most interested in testing. Instead of starting from a blank presentation, I'm going to upload a real document. This could be a PDF, a Word document, or even an existing PowerPoint presentation. Rather than immediately generating slides, PreziAI first analyzes the document and creates an editable presentation outline. I actually think this is one of the smartest parts of the workflow. Before a single slide is generated, I can review the entire structure, rename sections, rearrange the order, remove topics that aren't necessary, or add completely new ones. Instead of accepting whatever the AI gives me, I can shape the presentation before it's even created. It feels much more collaborative than simply pressing a generate button and hoping for the best. Once I'm happy with the outline, I generate the presentation. Within a few moments, PreziAI transforms the document into a complete presentation with layouts, typography, visuals, and a consistent design style already applied. I never had to browse templates, manually position images, or spend time adjusting spacing. The first draft already looks polished enough that I'm refining a presentation instead of building one from scratch. Now comes the feature I was most excited to test. Instead of manually editing every individual slide, I continue working through the AI chat interface. For example, I can ask PreziAI to make the design more modern, recognize a few sections, simplify certain paragraphs, change the tone for a business audience, or even add another slide covering an important topic that I forgot to include. Everything happened through natural language. I simply describe the changes I want, and PreziAI applies them directly to the presentation. It feels much more like collaborating with an assistant than navigating dozens of editing menus. Another thing I noticed during testing is that PreziAI doesn't simply wait for instructions. Throughout the workflow, it also provides AI suggestions that will help refine both the structure and the overall presentation. Instead of only recommending visual changes, it also suggests ways to improve the organization of the content and make the presentation easier for an audience to follow. It's a small detail, but it makes the editing process feel much smarter. Once everything looks the way I want, it's time to present. This is where Prezi still feels very different from traditional presentation software. Instead of moving through a series of static slides, presentation mode uses Prezi's dynamic canvas to smoothly guide your audience from one idea to the next. The movement naturally directs attention, making the presentation feel much more dynamic and engaging. There's also another feature I'd like to show you before we finish. Inside the Present menu, you'll find several audience engagement tools designed for live presentations. For example, use the built-in pointer to highlight important information, launch live polls, create quizzes, and use other interactive features that encourage your audience to participate instead of simply watching. Whether you're presenting to clients, teaching a class, running a workshop, or leading a business meeting, these engagement features help transform a presentation into a much more interactive experience. After spending some time using Prezi AI, I think what really stands out isn't simply that it can generate presentations. Plenty of AI tools can already do that. What makes this workflow different is everything that happens before and after generation. You start with a real document instead of a blank page, review and adjust the outline before creating the presentation, continue refining everything through conversation with the AI instead of manually editing a slides, and finally present using built-in engagement tools designed to keep your audience involved. Rather than simply generating slides, Prezi AI helps you create, refine, and present an entire presentation through one connected workflow. If you'd like to try Prezi AI yourself, you'll find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.